3/6 of 22, and we have our application up here with Netflix in the charts that we own, daily stock charts. We own the charting app, and it's a beautiful one at that. And we are coming out with the free version for people that will be able to use state-of-the-art charting app without having to pay any money, and it will be better than any ones you go to. Now, we're identifying the $380 puts that we bought. We start with the gap down yesterday. We went straight down. Now, these are learning how to buy put options. When stocks fall, you're going to make a tremendous amount of money. And we gap down, and we just made the lows, and we're coming off of the bottom. Now, we also bought call contracts and took that all the way up in our system. When it hit the top, it dropped, it came up with that bar, we cashed out. Buy put options, gap down, confirms it. Our trading platform will tell you how long to stay in the trade, when to exit the trade. Then the math will tell you how strong the stock is or how weak the stock is. And one of the things that we take great pride in is having the best charting app available for all traders and investors alike. So, once again, sign up for that free 5-day trial. We have a gap down again today, and Amazon right now, I can show you right here. We can see where the price of Amazon is. The high was $376 today, and the low was $362.73 as we see it. And we opened right on that open at 374. You went right up to the high, and bam, that was the end of the story. And buying the $380 put options on Netflix are paying a tremendous amount of money. Let us do the work for you. We built the trading apps. This is just one trading app that you're looking at, one charting app. We own other risk management trading systems that we built, and we built them over a 35-year period, and you can get access to it today. All you have to do is claim the special offer, free 5-day trial, and you're ready to go. So, once again, you make money, and then the app itself will tell you by the IR how strong it is. Each line is $1.59. It calculates it before the open. And when we demo it to you, we will show you it'll be 100% accurate. Yes, call me out on it. Make me show it to you live in that trading room. Oh, yeah. It will blow your mind. And you know what? Sometimes you stumble upon great things, and this just happens to be that one. And once again, identifying how long do you stay in the trade. So yeah, everything has a little bounce, just like we had that bounce. Then we made lower lows. Learn how to short stocks. Learn how to use put options when stocks fall. Let us tell you that the application tells you, and the diamonds are robots from the exchanges called bots. And we built our own bot system, high frequency algorithmic. But nonetheless, the app will do the work for you. It will spot, it will identify when they break out to go long. That was a great call option. This over here, great call option. Put options when they drop like a rock. Oh boy, oh boy. And guess what? The trend had never changed in Netflix other than you rallied, but you made a lower low from that low. And let us identify your entry, your exit, your stop loss management, and the market volatility is here to stay in 2022. And if you think it's going away, well, you got another thing coming. It's not. I'm only telling the people that are watching the video, if you really care about your bank account, then you sign up for that free 5-day trial and you let us make you a lot of money. And if you don't believe it, then get in the free 5-day trial room. We'll show it right in front of your face. That you can believe, And that you cannot deny, nor will you deny the success in these trades. Step up to the plate, change your life, take it now, get it now, and guess what? Get paid.